It's Walter Martin back here to help you find some of the best sales and deals on Craigslist used cars in your area. I've been going throughout much of the state of Arizona, and today we're going to go into Lake Havasu or the Grand Canyon area, the Mohave area. So go to Google and type in Craigslist Lake Havasu, Arizona, and hit enter. And you're going to see that mohave.craigslist.org is the site that pops up all the listings here. So go ahead and click the mohave.craigslist.org and go to the generic page, which is going to be the second link up here. And this is going to be basically where you look for Lake Havasu cars, trucks, stuff like that. So this is the generic page. I suggest going to the for sale section and clicking on cars and trucks. And then you're going to have three options. Click the buy owner only option. And you'll quickly see why we do look at the buy owner only option. You're going to see some very affordable prices. Here's an older Ford F-150 model for $2,250. You could drive all around the state of Arizona and into California and wherever looking for a used truck under $2,500, and you might not find it. And on Craigslist, we legitimately found a used Ford truck within a few minutes. So this is the great thing about Craigslist. Now, before just jumping into any offer, I would suggest looking at several of the listings. As you can see, as I scroll down, there's tons and tons of listings. And there's going to be a lot of Ford trucks, a lot of Chevy trucks. Here's a newer Ford truck, an F-150 model. So, don't jump into the first offer you see. This one's a little more expensive. It's $8,400, but it's in a much newer car, much less miles. So the thing to take out of this is look at many of the options, and note that the Mohave area is not the only area of Craigslist in Arizona either. You might want to look in Phoenix, you might want to look in Tucson and other areas to see if you can find low prices. But if you just scroll down and look at prices over the course of time, you're going to find price trends. You're going to see similar makes and models at similar prices. Here's $9,500 for a big Dodge truck. So if you're looking for a work truck, there are many options. If you're just looking for a car to get around, then I would suggest looking for vehicles under $2,000 or $3,000. When you get into the under $1,000 range, remember that some cars are just going to be sold as parts. So you may want to consider other options or maybe spend a little bit more money. But that being said, it doesn't mean you can't find a car under $1,000 on Craigslist. So these are just some of the ways that you can find Craigslist used cars in the state of Arizona. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and please like the video on YouTube if you do in fact like it.